What's up, guys? Sam Phillips here. Not too many packages today. I was expecting another one from Silver Nitrate, but it didn't show up. But figured I'd show you these because I got one from somebody I haven't gotten anything from before, and that's Hoover's Corgis&Coin. And so I'll show you what was in that envelope. She sent me an SMK sticker. Pretty sweet. And let's see which way. Yeah, EVG Hobbies. I'll have to check out that channel. I don't think I've ever seen it before. And I got a 1927 Standing Liberty quarter in pretty nice shape. You can read the date real well. There's some details on the shield, and the eagle's in okay shape. I bought this specifically because it's my grandpa's birth year, so, and also it's just a decent shape SLQ. So there's that. And next I got a EOS or in middle of stream giveaway win with ConNon in the brain, confrontational nonconformist, and as always they sent me a nice little polka dotty thank you card, which says, "Thank you for your support. Congrats on your win. Confrontational nonconformist into the brain." And they sent me some shiny dimes and a penny. Got a 2018 D. And oh, got it turned around there. 2009 D. I think those are low mintage, so I'll probably hang on to those. And a really nice, shiny looking 1974 D. So, that's in really good shape. So, thank you very much, Brain and Confrontational Nonconformist. I love you guys. If you haven't checked out their channel yet, what are you waiting for? Because, seriously, just do it. So, I will leave links to Hoover's Corgis&Coins and Confrontational Nonconformist in the description. Hope you all had a good day, and happy hunting, and yeah, whatever else I was gonna say.